eMAM is a powerful and flexible media asset management system for users to easily work with their content from any global location, on any web browser, or through native iPad and Android applications. Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerful editing tool offering a rich feature set integrated with the entire Adobe product line for the entire range of video, audio, and image requirements. eMAM has a built-in panel as well as a sequence output functionality built into Premiere Pro. The combined strengths of the eMAM and Adobe Premiere Pro systems can power multiple workflows. This video will show focus on two general types. eMAM and Premiere Pro can share projects for editing in Premiere and for worldwide collaboration and media management in eMAM. Premiere Pro sequences can be posted in the eMAM online system for review and approval. The eMAM system can manage content on local storage, SAN, NAS, and others, in cloud locations, archive, on the shelf, or any combination. eMAM produces lightweight proxy copies of all content to share and collaborate worldwide, saving money and time. eMAM can work with any type of local storage. eMAM has integrated with Amazon and Microsoft Azure cloud platforms and the Flexible Media Pass Consortium to provide cloud delivery and storage. Accelerated file transfer is available using File Catalyst or UDP systems, including Aspera and Signiant. Customers can easily use any CDN system for distribution. eMAM organizes groups of assets into categories. Categories in eMAM are similar to directories in a file system. eMAM users can access content by category or use the powerful search functions. Any number of categories can be used, but eMAM will store only one copy of a digital asset. Categories are used to control permissions for assets. Individuals are part of one or more user groups, often linked with roles in an organization. Each use group has defined functions and access to certain categories of assets. eMAM categories are also important because an entire category of assets can be delivered, sent to archive, and more. eMAM stores the content of a camera card, P2, S/S, and others as a category so it can be moved together. eMAM also organizes content into eMAM projects. eMAM users can create any number of eMAM projects and assign them to users as needed. eMAM users can log and mark individual frames of a video or use annotations. The marks will appear on the NLE system. They can also use the subclip feature to mark sections, subclip and deliver anywhere in almost any format, send EDLs, and do partial restore for archived clips. eMAM users can also add or remove assets to projects, add comments and tags, and send single or multiple assets by email for review and approval. eMAM projects can be shared back and forth with desktop editors in Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro using XML Exchange. eMAM users can export to editors directly from the Projects tab. Projects are sent with associated media, markers, and other metadata. Inside Premiere Pro, editors can use the eMAM panel to see all of the categories and projects in the eMAM library. By clicking on Import, Premiere Pro will link the assets to local storage for editing. With all historical content at the editor's fingertips, time spent on searching content is minimized, maximizing productivity. Adobe Premiere Pro can import virtually all video formats, P2 cards, XD-CAM, RED, and ARRI RAW, as well as Apple ProRes and MOV files captured by DSLR cameras, with full metadata support and no transcoding or rewrapping required. Editors can scrub through to choose and mark content to be shared in the eMAM library. Premiere Pro can be a desktop ingest source for eMAM, with the powerful built-in Adobe Media Encoder making proxy copies for worldwide collaboration. Editors can share projects with eMAM users at the click of a button. They can tag the content and put them in the correct project or category. Editors can also share a current sequence through the eMAM system. In this case, eMAM does not manage the editing project. The rendered sequence can be viewed in eMAM from any standard web browser or mobile device. eMAM users can also send the sequence for email review and approval alone or as part of a multimedia eBin. Together, Adobe Premiere Pro and eMAM offer a comprehensive, highly integrated workflow with speed, performance, and features that video professionals need to deliver high-quality productions.